Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of Dahi Wada. This is my mother's recipe. She makes it this way. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
We'll first prepare the papdi, so for that take 1 cup whole wheat flour or gehun ka aata and add some salt. Now add 2 tablespoons oil. This is regular refined oil. Now mix everything well. So if you take some flour in your hand, it will retain its shape. That means it's perfect. Now add a little water at a time and make a tight dough. This papdi version might sound unique to you, but do give this a try. That's how my mother makes it. This dough is ready. I'm going to cover and keep this aside for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, we are going to knead this dough again for a few seconds. And this way the dough becomes very smooth. Take a small portion of this dough and roll it thin like a chapati or roti. In fact, in this Dahi Vada, this papdi is the best thing for me. I like to have a lot of papdi on the serving of my Dahi Vada. After rolling the chapati this thin, we are going to cut this into 4 parts. This way it will be easier for us to fry these. And then prick this with a knife or a fork so that these do not become puri. So these are now ready. Here the oil is medium hot. We are going to fry these till these become golden and crispy. So you need to toss these in between. And after these become golden and crispy, take these out. And the same way you need to fry rest of the papdi. Our papdis are ready and these have turned out very nice and light and crispy. Now let's start with the vada. So here I have 1 cup urad dal which I soaked for 2 to 3 hours. So 1 cup measurement before soaking the urad dal. Now we need to make a paste of this urad dal. Do not add a lot of water. So this paste is now ready. We are going to whip this or beat this for 15 to 20 minutes. This beating will add a very nice air and volume to this mixture and that will make our vadas very light and airy from the inside. So you can see it's been 20 minutes and you can see the volume of the vada batter. And if you tap the bowl on your counter, you will feel the lightness of this batter. Now add 1.5 teaspoon crushed black pepper, not powder. Add some salt. Give everything a good mix. Now you can dip your fingers in water and make vadas, or it's fine, you can do it without dipping your hand in water also. You need to make a shape using your fingers such that when you drop the vada batter, it becomes round and it will become more round as you fry these. You need to fry these vadas at medium flame. Low flame would make these vadas very oily. And if the flame is very high, then the vadas could be uncooked from the inside. So once these vadas turn golden in color, take these out in a bowl. In a bowl or a mesh, whatever. So these vadas have turned out very nice. I'll break one open and show you. Look at the vada from inside. It's nice, airy and completely cooked. I can have these vadas right away with chutney. Now in a separate bowl, take some water and add half teaspoon hing or asafoetida, some salt as per taste. And this quantity of water should be enough so that all the vadas are completely submerged in it. Now we are going to keep this submerged for 15 to 20 minutes or until the vada absorbs all the water. Meanwhile, let's prepare the green chutney. So in a mixer grinder jar, add 2 green chillies, 1 inch ginger, 1 small tomato, 1 cup fresh coriander, juice from half lemon, some salt, and make a fine paste of it. I did not add any water because tomato and coriander have water in them, so there was no need. But if you want, you can add a little bit. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon roasted cumin or jeera powder. So our delicious green chutney is ready. Now let's prepare the curd. So I've taken total 400 gram curd, 200 gram boxes. So dahi, yogurt, curd, whatever you call it. Whisk the curd to remove the lumps and then add 1/4 cup sugar. And again whisk till the sugar and curd is combined and it becomes really smooth. Like this. Keep this curd chilled because chilled curd with dahi vadas taste awesome. And the vadas have been soaking for 15 to 20 minutes and these are ready. So this way you need to squeeze out water from this. Don't squeeze the vadas too hard. So just gentle so that the water comes out, a little bit remains inside and the vadas hold their shape too. Now after squeezing out all the water, keep the vadas in your refrigerator for some time so that these becomes very nice and chilled. So I've taken everything, regular salt, black salt, imli chutney. You can check out my pani puri recipe to make this chutney. The only thing different here is that instead of sugar I've used khajur, some red chili powder, some roasted cumin or jeera powder, chaat masala, our chilled thanda cold dahi or yogurt, the green chutney which we had prepared, our chilled vadas and papdi. So now take a few vadas, pour some chilled sweet curd, some imli ki chutney or tamarind chutney, some green chutney, some regular salt, black salt, red chili powder, chaat masala and roasted cumin or jeera powder. Now break some papdi on the dahi vada. Pour some more curd if you want and there you go. Delicious dahi vada is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try. Do not forget to make the papdi and make sure that the curd is chilled and the vadas are chilled. Let me know in the comment section how did you like the recipe. Enjoy!